the 5 very important reasons how you're impacted by a good estate plan, I do want to give a little bit of time to talking about money and the money that would be saved by a good estate plan. For example, so we've established having an estate plan protects you, protects money, protects your family. How? In what ways? And I just want to get this out of the way before we move beyond the money piece of this. In a good estate plan, make sure that taxes, estate taxes, and other taxes are minimized or eliminated. Without a good estate plan, if you have a taxable estate, which in Washington is just a little over 2 million, you may be paying tens, if not hundreds of thousands of dollars in unnecessary estate taxes. A good estate plan will make sure that doesn't happen. A good estate plan secures funds so that no one who you don't want to get those funds, especially the government, has any right to those funds. So securing the funds for those that you want to receive them, those are called beneficiaries. That is an important part of a good estate plan. Also, making sure that no creditors get your estate who don't have a legitimate right to be repaid, and that they filed an appropriate claim against your estate, and that there are no exceptions to them getting paid. And believe me, there are a lot of exceptions that can apply such that creditors' claims will not be paid in an estate matter. Making sure, another money issue is making sure that there's something left to pass to your spouse so that they are not left impoverished, even in the face of long-term care, expensive long-term care. That's part of one of the money benefits of having a good estate plan. And of course, making sure that eligibility for government benefits is not interfered with, and that government benefits that your beneficiary is entitled to will continue. That's another part, a money part of having a good estate plan. Also, making sure that if your children are inheriting from you, that your money goes to the children and not to their divorcing spouse. That's all done through a good estate plan. And speaking of kids, there is something called unintentional disinheritance. And that happens if you remarry later in life and your estate plan is not set up to protect your kids from a prior marriage. And if they end up with nothing, oftentimes that's called an unintentional disinheritance. So making sure your money goes to your kids, if that's what you want, is also a good part of having an estate plan. So yes, a lot about estate planning is about protecting money, preserving money, making sure that whomever your beneficiaries are get the money and that their lives are not negatively impacted by having the money.